Let's proceed to problem number 6. The equation above or the equation given is already balanced na siyang equation. So, we need to find the standard enthalpy, standard entropy, and entropy of the surroundings. So, this is the equation for standard enthalpy. So, we will just have to input our product and our reactant. The value that we will use is from our thermodynamics data. So, our standard enthalpy is equals to negative 1,148 kilojoules per mole. So, for B, we need to find the entropy of the surroundings. So, entropy of the surroundings equals negative standard enthalpy over temperature. So, the value for our standard enthalpy, kato atong nakuha sa A. So, over 298 Kelvin, which is given. But we first convert our kilojoules per mole to joules. So, negative 1,148 kilojoules is equals to negative 1,114,000 joules. So, we will just have to input it here over our temperature, which is 298 Kelvin. The final result will be standard entropy of the surrounding is equals to 4,492 joules Kelvin mole. Let's proceed now to C, finding the standard entropy. So, the value is parehara gihapon, gikan gihapon sa thermodynamics data at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 Kelvin. Multiply it by its mole, then we will get the result 1,248 joules per Kelvin minus 41.15 joules per Kelvin plus 1,338 joules per Kelvin. So, our final result will be standard entropy equals negative 131 joules per Kelvin.